other new arrival, 1936 Mercedes-Benz 230 Saloon, which is really an unusual car. Most of the 30s Mercedes-Benz you see are the big SSKs and 540Ks and 5 whatever. And this is a very unusual inline 6 is the power on it. It's got a real sinister look, doesn't it?
Yes, it does have a kind of a
I wonder where I got that from. Maybe from the write-up, I guess. Good job, Steve. Black over oxblood. And it's got a huge file of detailed notes and receipts and all that, which is so important, so critical. And we preach and preach and preach on that, how important it is. Don't throw any of that away. And make sure that when the car goes somewhere, whether it's sold or whether you give it to somebody or whether you pass on and your family moves it on, make sure somebody knows about where all this paperwork is.
Sure.
Don't let it get lost.
Beautiful interior on this car, by the way.
Oh, really? And it's really an interesting looking car. It really is. Black is a perfect color for this car.
Yep.
Absolutely.